French press or plunger, whatever you want to call it, they're pretty cool, but they also make a great cup of coffee. Looking at this technology, it could be somewhat complicated, which may keep you away from it. What's going on, Mixinites? I'm Nathan Mixon, and if you're intimidated by the French press, I'm gonna make things a whole lot easier for you. But before I get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on your push notifications, and make sure you hit that like button. In this video, I'm gonna give you 6 easy steps to utilizing your French press or your future French press for either coffee or tea. It works in the same sense. So let's get started. Ideally, you want to boil purified water and use freshly ground coffee beans for an even better taste. Since I'm a little lazy and it's out of my budget, I'm going to use this microwave and this faucet water, and it's going to work just as well. Fill the French press halfway with hot water. You're going to use 1 tablespoon of coarse ground coffee per tablespoon. This particular French press makes about 4 cups, so I'm going to use 4 tablespoons. Step 3, you're going to bloom the coffee for about 1 minute. Put the cover on so the heat doesn't escape. Hey Google, set a timer for 1 minute.
Sure, 1 minute, starting now.
Step 4, that minute has passed, so you're going to add the rest of your water. For step 5, you're going to put the top on and let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes. Hey Google, set a timer for 3 minutes.
Alright, 3 minutes, and we're starting now.
And for step 6, you're going to slowly plunge to the bottom. After you plunge, you're going to serve it up for the best coffee in the house. That is some good coffee. Now, the longer you let it sit, the stronger the coffee is going to get. It may even get more bitter too. So just be mindful of that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. If you did also want to subscribe and catch more videos, do that too by hitting the subscribe button and also turn on your push notifications, because we never know what I'm going to put up here. Normally it's going to be fitness videos, but you know, I might keep you guessing a little bit. Anyway, enjoy the rest of your day. I'll talk to you later. Peace.